What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We talk about a lot of things here. We talk about mostly makeup, sometimes skincare, sometimes I unbox things, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, I suggest you stick around. We also talk about nail polish here. I should mention that too. Today we are doing something that I'm getting more comfortable doing on my channel, and that is a multiple looks and one palette. So this palette that we are featuring right now is from HipDot. So this is the HipDot Zyam palette. I created 3 separate looks using this palette, and I think they're all very unique. This is one of them. I am very happy. I really like the formula of this palette. The matte shades are gorgeous. They all blended very easily. I tried to use as many shades as I could, and I actually think the only shade that I didn't use was this one right here. And it's a pretty shade. I just didn't work it into the look. It's a nice coppery, beautiful shade. I wish I'd used that, but so this is the palette. It does retail for $30 US. You can go to their website directly. I was lucky enough to get this in a BoxyCharm, so I love it. Please let me know in the comments below if you have this palette, if you've tried other products from HipDot, and would you like to see more of them on my channel. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and we're gonna get right into today's video. all so much for hanging out. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite, 1, 2, or 3, and let me know how you are doing. Thank you for all of your support, and let me know what you think of all the looks using this palette. I will see you all in my next one. Bye for now.